WCVB News Center 5, special coverage, Blizzard 2015.
You're looking at a live picture as we have our crews out and around the streets and showing you what the snow looks like out there. And you can see, boy, those roadways are not looking good. Lots of snow, lots of ruts out there, and lots of wind now. Here are the current wind gusts we're seeing from Boston, where it's a gust of 32 miles per hour. But look at that, Nantucket, 66 miles an hour. Already have had wind gusts out towards Nantucket of almost 80 miles per hour. Even inland, we're still seeing some strong winds out there as well. Here's what's happening. That storm system is spinning away. Look at these bands that are setting up. And we're talking about snowfall rates of anywhere between 3 to close to 4 inches per hour. And that's where you're starting to really see this one lining up. Right up there along the Worcester area, along 495. A little bit of elevation. And boy, that moisture is just slamming into it. Look at that. From Nashua all the way down to Hartford. That's a heavy band. This band is also showing some development as well. You're going to be seeing that. We are kind of into the heart of the storm now, and we're going to be here for a while with these heavy snows falling across the region. As far as timeline goes, it stays like this all the way through the morning hours. Late in the morning, it may start to lighten up just a little bit, but there's still going to be bands out there of heavy snow. I'll have another update for you coming your way in a half hour. We'll see you then, and be safe.